My channel Coding with Ravi Gupta, and today we are going to see Leetcode daily question, which is delete leaves with a given value. Leetcode has mentioned it as medium problem, but it is not it is not that difficult if you think wisely. So let's see the question. So question is saying that you are provided with the root of the binary tree, and you have to delete all the leaf nodes which are having the value target. So what is it? Let's see on the rough notebook. So it is there. So like on the first example, we can see they have provided with us with a root. So this is the binary tree which will be represented as this, and target is 2. You have to delete all the leaf nodes. So where the value is 2. So first of all, the 2 is here and here. You will delete this. Now after deleting this, it will become this. Now this 2, initially it was root, but now it is leaf. You have to delete this one also. So you are traversing, you are deleting that one also. So this is there. Now on the same question, sorry, so for the same question and the another problem here, target is 3. So you deleted this and this. In the first case, these two were leaf. It became this, but now this 3 is not leaf because it has a right child. Now, for example, number 3, you have to delete 2. Target is 2, so this is leaf. Now when it became this is again leaf. Now it became this is again leaf. Only one is left, so one is returned. In this case, this was returned 1 3. Then there was null at the left, so 1 3 null. Then you have null, and then 2. So here the answer was 1 null, 3 null, 4. So this was there. How we can do this? Let's thought of the approach, what we can do. So there are many ways, but like what can we do? We will traverse. We will from root, but we will traverse left. We will traverse right. We will check whether it's leaf or not. If it's leaf and it is target leaf and equals to target, we will delete it or we will return null. So this is how the question can be done. So let's see the code. Very simple, small code. So what are we doing? We checking if not uh, just a base case. It is a base case. We will see that later. You can, if the code is right and failing somewhere, that probably will be the edge case, base case or edge case. So we have to check that. So base case, okay, or we can say edge case. Uh, So what are we doing? We are traversing left. Roots left is what? We are using recursion here and we are checking root left, at root left and target. Then we are traversing right. So these two are line very simple. There should not be any difficulty in this. We are just traversing. Then now we are doing. If we are at leaf node, we are at leaf node, when there is no root, when there is no left. But does this mean not? So there is no left, there is no right, and root's value is target. So whatever value we are finding it is there, we will return null. And then ultimately we will be returning root. So what this code is doing, so if the problem was 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2 and target was 2, so you have to remove this and this also. So what it will do, initially it won't go here, then it roots left, then root left. uh, so when root left there is no right, so here it will come and values target, it will go upstairs as it is. So after returning, what it will do, it will root right, it is not there. So then root left, then it was working under this function. Now after coming out of this, the original stack, it will check for this two and it will be removed. It null will be returned. Then similarly for the four. This way the root binary tree functions. So this is there. Let's run it. Firstly, let's see time and space complexity here itself. So for this code, uh, we are traversing each node only once. You may say we are traversing twice because after deleting leaf node, we are again checking whether the root node is leafed or not. But no, that's not the case. Recursion is being used, so we are ultimately traversing only once. So time complexity is O of n, and space complexity is also O of n because of the recursions. So let's run it in the lead code, see whether our code is correct or not. So we are running it, the same thing we have written. It has passed all the test cases. Let's submit it, and don't go for the question you mentioned medium or easy. Just think, do the question. So it has passed all the test cases. So this was it. And thank you so much and subscribe my channel.